Hello everyone. Today let us discuss introduction to economics. After this you can able to know what is economics, meaning of economics and what economics deals with, and finally choice problem. Let us begin with introduction to economics. Human beings carry on their economic activities for satisfying their wants. So they go to market to purchase goods and services for which they require money. In order to earn money, they participate in different economic activities. People engaged in different activities like agriculture, trade, business to earn money to satisfy their wants. Hence, the activity performed for earning and spending are called economic activity. What is economics? Economics is a study of unlimited wants and limited means. As human wants are unlimited and the money to satisfy all is very limited, so economics deals with how a society and individual would reach to maximum satisfaction with limited income they have. Meaning of economics. Economics is a social science in which society and organization involve in production, distribution and consumption. Economics is a study of unlimited wants and limited means. For example, if a person has more wants like a desire to go for a movie, a desire to go for a hotel and a desire to go for a shopping. So all this cannot be possible to fulfill with his limited income. So choice problem arises. Because of number of wants with a limited income, both society and individuals are facing choice problem. Thank you. Let us continue in our next class with a new session called Definition of Economics. Hope you liked my video. Thank you once again.